Hello guys, how are you doing today? My name is Stef. Today we are going to talk about trading, and today we are going to use Hypertrader, which is a great software, and I'm trading currently with them and I like it very much. So please guys, put a like on this video and share it with your friends, and let's enjoy it. Do you have any questions? If you have any questions, please ask them right now and I will answer them. So today my trading day is currently long on band and currently long on Qtum, and I'm seeing this as continuation for SXP. I'm putting my bits here because this is a long-term support, and you see the moving average is pulling down. And for SXP I have this pattern which is called a Gartley. So a Gartley is something like this: 786, 786. So we have a correction here, probably an ABC correction, and for the Gartley you want the 786 zone. Just let me first oh, hello Trappy, how are you today? Do you like the music or should I change it? Just let me first share it with the others. So to all my Dutch friends, you're the greatest. When I have these travel restrictions, I will come there. Do you drink beer or what? Or some kind of alcohol? I'm great. So thanks Trappy, you're the best. My English has improved quite a lot, you know, with starting with trading with Amar and live streaming with Amar, and this is some kind of great benefit to me because I want to improve my English, and also I want to become a better trader. And the best trading tool for me is Hypertrader. You know that. Let's just share it around with the others, trading chats. So guys, what do you want me to see today? Let's do you have any requests for any coins and anything else? Just let me share it with the others and the Hypertrader. So as you know, my favorite type of music is salsa. My favorite music is salsa, and I love Serbian chicks, so, or Holland chicks or Dutch chicks or whatever. Girls are girls. So ADA BTC, let's see that. ADA BTC. This is a clear downtrend in the 4 hour. On the 1 day you have lost the 75 EMA and you have a red Ichimoku cloud cross. Let's see on the 3 day. So on the 3 day probably somewhere here, which coincides with this previous support. So more downside, but if I'm a buyer, I will DCA this. And if it fails, yeah, you have bad luck here. So basically you have like a 1, 2, 3, but this is a very, let's say the retracement. So the retracement is very big, if you ask me, for a third wave. But this is crypto, and probably for other you want a clear. So if this low holds, you go to the trend-based indicator, where it is. The trend-based indicator is here, and you go from here, from the low to the high. And for the fifth wave, you want the 786, which is also the previous high, and the 1-to-1 extension. So for ADA, here is your target if this holds. But look at the 0618. It's a clear sign for me that I'm interested here in the 0618. So 873 Satoshi, 873 Satoshi is a great buy for the ADA ETH. ADA ETH, let's see ADA ETH. Okay, ADA ETH. ADA ETH on the 3-day on the green cloud. So this is not encouraging for ADA ETH, and you have probably a double top. And no, this is not bullish for me. Let's see on the weekly. Same on the weekly, you have a bullish Ichimoku cross, and then let's see where the Fibonacci retracement tool. So a big retracement for this. So probably if it holds like here, but on the weekly you have a clear bullish retest of the previous. So you had a parabolic rise, then a crash, and look where it came to, where it started, to the breakout point. What happened to, let's see, band. What's happening to band? Okay, and this coin screwed me over. So I have like a bearish Gartley for this, and a clear sign of breakout on the 4-hour, and I'm long on band. And I think band, if you go on my trading view, there is a chart where I post that it can go like to $22 to $24. So it's if you go on the spot and you hold, yeah, it's a good buy. H bar USDT. Let's see H bar. H bar. USDT pair or BTC pair. Algorand. You want Algorand. Thoughts on H bar USDT. Okay, so as you can see, H bar, let's see on the 3-day, because you need a clear picture for this. So it's consolidating. I don't have an opinion, I'm neutral here, because this is a previous resistance, now support, and the coin is if this holds, I see this as a clear triangle, a descending triangle, and a big clear descending triangle. So in a range you don't have trends. I'm neutral here for H bar. Let's see Algorand. Algo USDT. So Algo USDT in a consolidation. So we have probably a bull flag. Let's see, where's the parallel channel? Parallel channel. Oh, here. Something like this. Let's see on the daily. Okay. So if I'm a buyer for Algo, I want to see a clear retest from here. And on the 3-day you see more clearly. But basically you want or something like this. So it's a descending channel, and if it breaks here, if it makes a higher high, I will set an alert for Algo. New price alert. So one thing I like from the Hypertrader terminal is that you can set an alert and it will alert you when the price is over there. Another tool that I like is the ladder option. So that's for Algo. Let's see if you have any requests. So Algo, Ryan B. Do you see Ryan B? That ADA on the technical, on the fundamental level, ADA went to like to the Chinese farmers, and they told them to buy the coin. Like they were so desperate for the buying. So that's for ADA. My picks today are SXP, Comp, Band, Land is a short right now, and I will tell you why. Let's go on Land. So I made quite the money on the land, on this Land token. So I will go on the 2 hour. So you see, this is a clear 5th wave diagonal. So you have like a channel, and if it fails to make a higher high, your previous resistance comes support, and you want to short it. So short for this, okay, and my target will be something like this. And so you have like 1-to-1 extension for the 1-to-1 risk to reward. But I wouldn't short, like I will see the reaction here from this spot. Let's see what happened to SXP Binance Futures. Okay, a clear you had a like clear rejection from the Ichimoku cloud, and I'm a fan of harmonics, and I will put a stop here because this is a clear 786 trade, but people are selling, and you have like a clear bullish divergence on the 2 hour, but you have like a bearish confluence on the 2 hour. So basically, if this makes a higher high from here, you have like the target for this pattern is 3314, and I think it will go. Let's see on the 12 hour. So on the 12 hour you have bullish divergence, which is also great, and we have bullish divergence here, and probably look at this, the red from the Ichimoku is going onto the downward. Let's see the comments. Put the like buttons, people. Go Stef, thank you. So more of a scalper, more of a day trader than a scalper. So a scalper is someone who trades with the 5 minute, 15 minutes, and he makes the profit and goes. I'm more a patient game, and sometimes I lose, sometimes I win. But basically, the more you experience here, the more experienced you are, and also use the Hypertrader software, the more you want to make wins. Currently, my biggest win was EOS, and also I can check EOS. Let's go EOS. The funding for this coin is very high, like EOS USDT. So yeah, on the 1 day. So for EOS I bought on spot because it retested the previous weekly support on the weekly. Like, look at this. And yeah, if this makes a higher high and this is a ABC, your next target probably will be somewhere here for $5 for EOS, but it's a long-term hodl. And I don't want to speculate, but on the daily there is a TD9 for a buy. Also Ecstasy is great for buy, Ecstasy USDT on the daily. So we have like a clear rejection, and let's see on the daily. On the daily, RSI 47, and clearly sitting on this support right now. So you don't want to see below this. And I don't see any bullish confluence here, but that's that for Ecstasy. So you have a TD9 for Ecstasy, which is great, and that's a buy signal. Let's see the comments, guys. Let's see if you... I am underwater, but you're still breathing, Slobodan. Why? You have hands, and you can put a like button, smash the like button right now, and you wouldn't be on underwater. And what's happening? Let's see land. So Qtum is a buy. Let's see Qtum, why I'm buying Qtum USDT. So okay, what happened to this shitcoin on the 4 hour? Okay, so yeah, the only logical thing is that it's on the EMA 75, and currently Bitcoin probably is dumping. Let's see what's happening to Bitcoin. But I will put some, let's see where's my stop. My stop will be somewhere here, 7% for, so my risk to reward is 1 to 3. But if this doesn't make a higher high from here, this trade is not possible. You want to see a breakout and look at the cloud, how thick is it. So some news for XXP or this will die. Let's see BTC USDT. What's happening to BTC? Okay, so BTC USDT in a downtrend channel. Yeah, in a downtrend channel. So you have something like this. So probably you want a reaction here from 11,700 and currently it's in the middle. And if you see, let's see on the weekly where the price will be. On the 3-day, my bids are here from 10,900 to probably I will buy from to also here, and I will ride it to, I don't know, to 14k. And let's see on the 12-hour. On the 12-hour, you see a clear reaction from the 75 EMA, which was never tested. So a clear bullish sign on the 12-hour, and you don't want to see. I don't want to see below 10,500. So above 10,500 bullish, below that, and I'm bearish for Bitcoin. Let's see other coins. Do you have any requests, guys? Put the like buttons, and 50%. I'm more for the 70% or 80. You know the 80-20 rule. You put 80% in something you put 80% effort and 20% you rest. That's my thinking in anything in life. So you have any requests? If you don't have any requests, let's see on the interface on. So currently the winners are Qtum, SNX, SNX. Wow. So I got stopped out from this dump and I lost some money here, but nothing great. So for SNX, nothing here clearly because this is in a range. But let's see on SNX on Binance, not on Binance Futures. Okay, now I'm seeing something. So for this, I want to see. So clearly your target for this is $7.04. So you want, if this is a long, you want to see this fractal break on the 12-hour. So let's see, no limit buy. I want to set alert, new price alert from here. Let's see on the 12-hour. Bullish divergence. So no signs of recovery for this coin. Let's see what's happening to band. The bears got them. So for band, what's happening with band? Clearly, is there a bearish divergence? Yeah. Let's see the next tick. If the next tick is, I need 2 more candles to move my stop loss, and after that, I will put my target for this is $14. 14 to have this distribution pattern, and also you have like a clear support, which is now. So here is your support for this. You don't want to come below this, and probably the price is consolidating. And okay, that's for SNX. Let's see Qtum. What's Qtum doing? So yeah, Qtum currently, this is a nice future that the team from Hypertrader made, which is live PNL, and you can see my live PNL for this. Let's go on band token. My current profit for this is $110 for this trade, but on the daily you have a green 2 above green 1, and let's see where the price closes. So the third candle, always on the TD green, you have a correction, and people will be like, oh no, it's going lower, but I'm thinking this is going higher. Basically every indicator on the 12 hour, on the 4 hour, it's going higher, but you have like a clear, this was the previous resistance, and that's currently what's bugging. Do you have any? Hello, blue bastard, how are you doing today? Let me share to my Facebook group. I didn't share there because people are like, so guys, if you have any requests, just put them on the comments, and I will look at your coin. And if you don't have any comments, then I will go and trade. I will trade. Basically, I have on my right monitor, I keep my trading view charts, and on the left side I have my Hypertrader, and that's how I trade. On the right side there is the TD sequential, which I use, and I'm very familiar for that. And currently my only long, my currently long is band, SXP and Qtum. That's what I see on the charts, and I'm not bugging because on the 2 hour you have TD4, on the 4 hour you have a TD5, TD green 5, and for that's approximately 2 more, so you have 6 more candles for the 2, that's 12 hours to the upside. And also the squeeze nom indicator is turning green, probably some pullback before going higher. Let's see on Qtum. On Qtum you have on the 2 hour a green 2, not above green 1, and that's I'm waiting. So I want to see a clear break of $4.03, $4.031, and above that that's a clear sign of long, and below that I'm not planning to buy. What do you think about the target 10,800 for BTC? So let me see that BTC long, BTC USDT, BTC USDT. So on the daily, on the RSI you have a clear down on it's 48, which is neutral, but I'm thinking this is a probable correction, and you can see that I'm buying here on the, because I saw this as a clear cipher. So you have X, A, B, C, and clear, this is the D. So for this, the target you have like from here to A, and then you project it, and the 1618 is 13,500. So on the daily you have a TD8, and now it's in the middle of the channel and clearly in resistance. So probably something like this, and if this holds, like I'm thinking it's going higher, but no clear signs right yet. I'm neutral and waiting on the 12-hour. As you can see, there was a clear retest on the 75 EMA, and it came close to, yeah, it retested the previous low, and right now I'm buying this. So I have limit orders there for this pattern, and I'm currently neutral on BTC, but I'm long above 10,500. So my plan is to see 10,500 hold, and if it holds, yes, then I will buy it. And Trappy, you go to sleep and drink some good alcohol. You need it. Blue Bastard, how are you today? Did you trade something? He's a great contributor to my Discord. I will put a link to the Discord in my chat. Let's put a Discord copy. This is valid until tomorrow. You can share it with your friends. You're still here. Come on, dude, go to sleep. Do you like my music? Here's my Discord link, and Trappy, I in a little short looking for the same target as you. The next candle will tell us more. Right now it's on resistance and people are buying, but you know, people are people. If the TD9 goes, so how do you know? You can go and see on the daily on the now it's a TD8. So if this next candle TD8 goes, so you have like a TD8, TD7, TD6. So this is a perfected buy, and your stop loss for this will be, if this closes like this, 10,000. I will put a stop loss at 10,500 or below here, below the cloud. So the cloud, the thing I like about the cloud is that it gives you a dynamic support and resistance. That's what I like. Let's see what happened to SPX XXP. Okay, 4 hour. Let's see, 4 hour. Okay, clearly retesting the previous support, but the only thing that bugs me right now is that here the moving carriage and the clear cloud. That's the only thing that yeah, but drinking and dancing, it's very social. Like if you go and go with people, you drink because other drink, not because you want it. But I don't drink too much, and I like to be social, to be with people, and people make things happen. Like who is a lonely wolf? Lonely wolf, you don't want to be a lonely wolf. You want to be someone who leads, who takes care of other people, not to be like a jerk. that's my philosophy. My philosophy is that if someone is in need of help, and I will do, if he is very encouraging and very positive and he wants it, I will do it for free. I will train someone for free, but he needs to to give me to pass my shit test. If he pass my shit test, yeah, why not help people? People are like everything. Yeah, the drinking is not very, it's not my thing. My thing is going to parties, having fun, having stimulative conversations with people, getting to know everyone, and why did it hide it? Yeah, you need to shit test people. Like people are, if you are very nice to people, they are like going to take away. Trading dot, no, but let's see dot USD. Okay, you put me on my list. So look at this. You go here, bam. You go here, bam. You put 5. I want to buy 150, and my stop loss will be right here. So let's see, how much is that? 6%. So 3% of my capital. So this, let's see, this was a 1, 2, 3 probably. So let's see where the Fib retracement tool will have. So if this is a third wave, you see a clear reaction from the 236, and let's see where the where it find resistance. So we have something like this. So look at this. The 1272 is, so you have like a third mini wave, yeah, probably. And my buy zone, if this is filled, my target for this will be $7, 1618 from here, because it wasn't tested. 1272 was tested, but for a completed third wave you want the 1618 extension. I think this will go $7, so probably something like this on the 1235. Okay, this is a 1, this is a 2, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5. So this is a third wave, and probably somewhere here is your buy zone. So if this is filled, my target for this will be $7, 7.3 bucks for dot. But you see, from the 036, it's a clear sign of bulls controlling the market right now. Let's see your comments. How much is Hypertrader monthly? If you use my code, it's 15 crypto Stef, it's 15% discount. I think it's $30. I'll put the link on below, and if you want it, you can try it. I think they have like a 7-day free trial, and one of the greatest guy is Amar that I know, and I appreciate the sincerity and the charisma that brings, and the positive energy that brings him in crypto, and it saves a lot of time, and there is nothing else compared like Hypertrader for me. I will put a link, Hypertrader app, crypto Stef, 50% off. Hey Amar, how are you today? Did you trade something or not? Or you had like a stimulative conversation with someone, or you had like a great day today. I saw your picture with your baby and it's so cute. Let's just put one of my guys who is bugging me, and I'll put a link to the stream directly. So crypto. So you see, for DOT, it's very interesting. I didn't know that it was added on Binance Futures, and I have all the news about Binance Futures, but this was like a news flash for me. Probably I'll buy it here and sell it here. This was a clear buy for me because it was added like, so how 2012 of August. So yeah. So I see my target for this is 7.3. Let's see which other coins are trending right now. Band is also going up, so I bought land here, and you can see on my orders field land. So yeah, I sold somewhere here. So as I told you in one previously, you had like a, so you have a fractal break on the 2 hour, and let's see where with the Fibonacci retracement tool. So the 3-2 probably somewhere here, so I'll put a new limit buy here, and probably I'll buy 500 land, and I put a stop here. So I will ladder. This is one of the best future, ladder. And if your software don't have it like the Hypertrader, you're missing out. So 500 for buy long. And I saw this as the 5th wave because if you measure from here, this was the first impulse, and I saw it as a 0.5, and then when I see a 0.5 to 0.382, that's a clear sign for the 4th wave. So you have like a ABC probably correction, and then probably going higher. So I see this as for $1. Let's see on the daily. So yeah, length. Let's see where land is. Land on the daily. You have a TD4 green. So yeah. So you have 6 more days of upside for this TD, for this land coin. I got a question. What is better to buy, ETH, Link, Ecstasy or BTC? Right now, my thoughts are Ecstasy. Yeah, Amar, what's happening? What happened to the stream? Why it's not showing Windows capture? Okay, it's Windows capture. Why did it minimize? Okay, doesn't matter. Amar and his team are the nicest guys in crypto, so go follow them. I will give the link in the trading chat so people can I invite directly from the Hypertrader? No, I can't. Give me, okay, I'll create an invite. Okay, I got it. Sorry for that. Let's see. I will put a link to Hypertrader, and if you have any questions, go there and ask them. They are the nicest people around in crypto, and they have almost every exchange integration, and people will find it useful. The ladder limit, I have a video, and you can go and look at my video, and you will see how I use Hypertrader. You can also have like multiple wallets, multiple exchanges, and that's their selling point. The selling point is that they charge you, but they save you time. If you make like more than 30 bucks in a month, and you save like this ladder limit option saves you a lot of time. Like I don't know how much you will put typing this if you are a scalper or someone who wants to scalp, how much time you will save just by using the ladder limit options. Ask yourself, and that's how I trade. Let's see Qtum. Oh, Qtum, nice reaction from Qtum. So Qtum, and that's my rant about Hypertrader. They are very focused guy. Amar is a family man. He's very dedicated. He's not like the other competition. I don't want to say who have their interface. Look how beautiful is their interface. You can minimize the interface, you can go full screen, and you can just put a new limit buy, new limit sell with right click. And that's the selling point for Hypertrader. They also will have many integration with other exchanges, and they plan to also add some stock markets, and for Americans probably FTX on their website. I'm thinking that they have like a partnership or something like on FTX on the FTX website. They have like a claim partnership. So yeah, I like the people, I like what I'm using, and that's what I recommend for trading, because it saves times and it makes you a better trader, not just for me, and for anyone who wants to trade the crypto markets. So let's see XXP. Okay, so XXP SXP is a very I'm grateful that I want let's see XXP. So also you can do like SXP from directly from the interface, or you can search from the hotlist. Also you can change Binance, and if you want to trade ETH pairs, you will go ETH. If you want to trade BTC pairs, you also can trade it. So right now the Binance futures, and also they have Oscillators, which is very useful, and they will integrate they said in their Discord that they will integrate conditional orders and everything that will make you a Hypertrader. And I'm a Hyperman, and I will make that t-shirt available in sometime in the near future. Why not? So yeah, let's continue trading. Let's see other coins. RLC. Okay, RLC. So you have a retest on the moving average, and let's see. This is a clear cipher, no cipher but a bet. So something like that. 113. So let's see if this makes if it makes above this, probably I'm buying. Let's see on the 15 minutes. RLC 15 minutes. So it's a green too, but it's not above. on the 50 minutes you have a green 5, so okay, I'll put on the 50 minutes and I'll buy it with a stop loss 1573. Okay, let's put a ladder limit. Also, if you want to join my stream, my Discord, I put a link and you can join it. It's free of charge. I don't charge for trading. And if you want to support me, I don't think it's better than just buy me something, buy me a conversation, a stimulative conversation. So yeah, if this makes, oh well, I'll make a new buy stop here, new stop limit buy. So let's see how much, 4%, so probably 200. Just reduce only. This is a scalp, so yeah, probably about 300. If this makes a higher high, my target for this is 185, or if this is a bearish bet, 88.6. So how much is that? 6%, and I'll make 50% here and 50% here, and that's for bet. Let's see, trading chat. And if you have any criticism for my Discord or my live stream, I'm happy to include something. Thank you for the 8 views for trading live with Hypertrader. So if you want to use it, the software, the link is in my YouTube channel, and you can see it for yourself if it's worth it. For me, it's worth it. Every penny is worth it. And let's see what's Bitcoin doing. Bitcoin, or people want to see Bitcoin, BTC, USDT. So Bitcoin, okay, let's see what happened here. So you have like the Fibonacci retracement tool. So Fibonacci retracement tool. So if this is a first wave, let's see where it will come. Okay, I see why people so clearly tag the 0786, but I see this more as a corrective wave, like not impulsive. You don't see impulsive like going something like this. So you have 1, 2, and then a deep retracement and a double bottom. So be careful trading this Bitcoin. So let's see where Bitcoin probably can go from here if it wants. So you see, as long as this hold this zone, the 382 and the 0.5, yeah, it can go higher, but I don't see why it can go higher. Is there some cipher pattern? So probably something like this. So if Bitcoin wants to go higher, if this is a short opportunity, probably something like this, 886. As you can see, 11,700 is for this bearish bet, and you have a moving average, so be careful with this long. So if you want to long it, you want to see a higher than 11,550. Probably some correction, 1, 2, 3 ABC correction, and then a lower high, and then continuation lower. But that's for Bitcoin. Any other coin, any other requests? Okay, people wanted to see for link. Okay, let's see link USDT. So link USDT, I see this as a butterfly. Yeah, I know my harmonics like I know my women. So yeah, if this it makes a higher high than this, your target for this can be $80, 1272, and it can extend to 1618. So 80 to 90 bucks. So here's your first target for this. Let's see if so you have, let's see if this is a bullish, no bullish divergence, but this is a bullish divergence. So you have on the awesome oscillator, you have a buy, but there is no bullish thing about this. So you want to see on the RSI break of this 53, and then you can see, then there is a chance of continuation higher, in my opinion. Let's see land. Okay, land. But if you see on the weekly, you see how do you say it, a consolidation, and I don't see any bearish sign on link. So probably consolidating can, if this let's see where to go. It had gone, so it went to the 0.5. so if this is a third wave, you go from here and with a stop from this, probably you want to have a higher stop. Let's see where it can go. So for link, $22 to $25. If this low holds like $12, but on the 4 hour it's consolidating. So that's how I see link. Nothing. If this makes a higher high than 3 to the 70, your target for this is 19 bucks. Let's see others, what they have commented. Did you get filled on DOT? I'm waiting patiently. You can see RLC. Go buy RLC. It's on the 15 minutes. It's green 5, green TD 5 from 9. So you have 4 more upside, 4 more days to upside. 4 more candles in the 15 minutes to upside. Let's see BAT. What's doing BAT? BAT is doing nothing. But band. Okay, band. Clear rejection of the 4 hour. Right now, my longs, as you can see on the Hypertrader terminal, are, my long is band, my long is Qtum, SXP, and that's what I'm trading right now. Is So for this you had a clear rejection from here. So this was a previous support, now turn resistance, and as long as this holds, I'm thinking that it can go higher. And you have a bullish awesome oscillator, and if you're a fan of for the awesome oscillator, I use awesome oscillator because I can find bullish divergence and the trend I can define more clearly. Also comp is very interesting because, as I can see from this probably is a Gartley. Yeah, a Gartley. So if you want to short this, you go from here and you have a good risk to reward, like from, let's see, Fibonacci Retracement. Your first target is 3.2 and your second target is 618, and your next target is the ultimate target for comp, if this is a bearish bet, is $140. So I will put like new limit sell. How much was the risk to reward short? The Gartleys have a high chance of succeeding, like I can use also 4%. Okay, so 4%, so I will put sell for 2.5 for comp, and I'll put a stop here and use stop limit sell, which is also just reducing 2.5. Why? What happened? Okay, I didn't. Okay, stop. Aha, okay, I know what I have done. Limit sell here, selling. Okay, here's my sell and here's my stop for comp, sell short. And my target, first target for this is 3.2 and my second target is 618. So probably I'll reduce my exposure here and I'll reduce my exposure here. And that's for comp. Let's see what happened to DOT, because people are very excited about it. Dot BTC. Okay, why? Dot USDT. Okay, it didn't make a clear retracement, but this you can just, let's see, let me add it on. So you have a clear reaction from the 3.2, and how much is that? 3%. Okay, I can scalp it, but like this is a easy peasy trade for me. Like you have like a clear resistance here and you can short it, but the risk to reward is not very great. And I love salsa. If I see Kara, and he's also a dancer, and he's also very nice guy, and he's very I think I haven't how do I say, I haven't met him in person, but I think he is very communicative, but very mysterious guy. And that's for how I can trade. You want to see if this is going like above this, then yeah. This on the 15 minutes, this was a clear distribution pattern. So how much is it? Oh, we have Argentino Tango. Here is your target. So for this triangle, descending triangle or symmetrical triangle. A triangle is a triangle. And I like to think that the bulls and the bears are in some synchrony. And people are buying like this coin, like I don't know why. They told me that because the main developer is someone they like. Please English, because everyone wants to know what are you commenting. So for Bitcoin, I said if Bitcoin goes above, if Bitcoin holds above 10,500, then it's a buy. Everything below that, and probably it's going to a bigger correction. Let's I can go and BTC USD again. So yeah, on the daily, as I said, this is a cipher pattern, and you can go and see what's a bullish cipher. You had a higher high and then a rejection from the higher high, and my target for this was 13,500. So you have like a long from here, stop below that, and 30,500, and you have a good risk to reward. But basically, let's see the MACD, your previous, this was a previous support, and this was a hidden bullish divergence from here, if you want to be more precise. So you have a clear hidden bullish divergence. So at TD9 and TD8, let's see the next candle. If the next candle goes something like this, I'll buy it and I'll put my stop here. And I go day by day and look at the volume. It's higher than the previous one, but look at the previous volume. And that's for Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently it's correcting. So that's how I see Bitcoin. And why are you it's not my business, but why your nickname is 1st of May? And that's that. If you have any requests, please ask them, and join my Discord and follow Hypertrader on Twitter. Let's see what's happening to Bitcoin is dumping and everything is dumping. Okay. Okay, I should have taken some profits, but that's that. Okay, let's see what's happening to the... So second rejection from here, and let's see if this holds. Then I'm thinking that this is a continuation and the Gartley will be how much time will you have? Two more hours. So on the daily you have a buy signal, but probably it will go somewhere here. So another buy zone for here, and if this is extending and makes a bearish crap, you know the deal. 1618 is the target, so $18 is the target for band. What are your thoughts on Link USDT? As I said, Link is in a clear downtrend, and I can put a trading view chart for you, and you can look at and how precise was this. I shorted, but I budged and I thought that this was it and I didn't. So next time I will put a, let's see what's happening to band. My band is dumping, but it's a green 5, so I'm not concerned yet. And let's see Link again. A Link USDT. So on the daily, you had like a clear support from the Kijunsen, or how do you say this? The baseline. One thing I like about the Ichimoku system, it's until you don't have a crossover, you're long. Like, look how much time it went parabolic Link, like from $0 to who bought this is a millionaire. So if you put here $1,000 over and bit and you sold this, you're a champ. Like, very nice play for Link. What's happening? Okay, I know it's Bitcoin dumping. So right now Atom is very interesting. Theta is also interesting. You can go on my TradingView account and see everything about what are my thoughts for the market. And let's see what's happening to. So yeah, okay, 4 hour. So if this closes above this, then the possibility is higher to $80 than here, because this was the previous breakdown of this breakdown, and currently sitting on support. And if this fails to hold like below this, and I'm selling it. Let's see BTC. Bitcoin, what are you doing? Bitcoin is doing 2 spinning dojis. So spinning tops, yeah, spinning tops. So 2 spinning tops and bearish. So the only thing that's bullish is this bullish divergence on the awesome oscillator. So if you don't know, the awesome oscillator just makes the difference between the 34 and the 5 moving average, and then gives you this histogram. So the difference between them, and you have this histogram, and that's that for it. So the only thing that's bullish right now is that it's going higher, ticking higher. So let's see. That's for okay, 4 hour, nothing. It's still sitting on support. So as long as this low holds, I'm long on Qtum, I'm long on SXP, and SXP I'm buying, and my stop loss probably will be somewhere here. How much is that? Wow, 10%. Wow. Just be careful with the leverage here, because these coins are like, how much percent is this? 50%. Wow. 50%. Wow, this is very interesting for the coin, for trading. Do you short trade leverage contracts? I only do Binance futures right now, and I short, but right now I don't short it currently. Yeah, let's see where the only thing that is concerning me is on the 2 hour, but on the 2 hour or the band, but it's clear on the support. So let's see if the next candle on the 2 hour closes below, then I'm closing my long for the band. The only thing that, let's see where it can go. So you have 1, 2. Okay, is Bitcoin dumping? Probably. BTC USDT. Let's see, BTC USDT. Another thing that I like, you can put multiple charts, you know. Okay. What are you doing, Bitcoin? Okay, let's put multiple charts side by side. Not this. Probably something like this. So, okay, let's just hide it here. So, okay, I'll hide this also. So band here. Band. My band. Also the third 3 screen is also great. Okay, something like this. So here is BTC USDT. BTC USDT. Here band USDT, and the other coin is Qtum BTC. Okay, Qtum BTC. And that's how I see. So some selling pressure on this band. Okay, SXP, Qtum, USDT, crypto Binance futures. So the same chart as Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dumps, then I'm screwed, but let's see band BTC. What's happening with this band token? Okay, clear support one day. So yeah, the volume is not there on this coin, but I will be patient. The only thing is, so how do you like the interface, guys? Short dot, then buy. Trade it, bro, nice and volatile. Yeah, I can see. Why do you trade like that? Let's see. Dot USDT. But look, it's a clear sign that the bulls are winning right now. And I don't like this candle on the band token. Okay. But I'm waiting for... Okay, what's doing SXP? Okay, 1 hour. No, I don't want 1 hour. So let's go make a position for this 5x. Because 10% loss for this shitcoin, it's not worth it. Okay, I'm buying here on, and I will put a stop. So for these shitcoins you need to be very patient and change your bias. So for SXP, this is the cipher you want. So let's put a stop long. Okay, somewhere here, and 6% and loss here. You stop sell. Stop limit sell. How much is my position? 100, 200. Okay, 200 SXP. And my stop is here. My sell is here. 200. Reduce. Right now, the most volatile coin is banned. Like, look at this candle. In one candle, 5-6%, and also in this candle, 6%. So let's see where the price closes on this band token, and I'm not selling right now. Lowering the UI on Hypertrader. Yeah, go on their go on their trading on their Discord, and if you have any questions, Amar will and their team will greatly answer your questions. And Hypertrader is one of the best software for trading crypto. I think, I don't want to if Amar can say for other exchanges, but they will integrate so much exchanges that you will be like, why I'm not using Hypertrader? Like, I can trade 3 pairs in a row, and you can have, maybe they can put multiple windows, like multiple programs, like this is a 1 and a 2, so you have like 4 pairs. Like, you can put in multiple screens and multiple monitors, and you can trade like 8 pairs or 6 pairs in a row with my setup, and that's great. That's like a dream come true. and Blue Bastard, you're welcome to join their stream. I put a link and you can ask them any questions you have for trading and for there are also other traders there, and one of the traders I like is Tony Stark, and he's a great trader if you ask me. So currently Bitcoin is doing nothing. Qtum has a bullish divergence on the 4-hour, and LLC is on a green 4 on the 4-hour, and yeah, LLC currently, if you want, you can buy and probably sell at $185. Okay, so what's Bitcoin doing? BTC USDT. Okay, here is BTC. I haven't saw that. I'm not used to multiple screens but multiple charts in a one, because I want to be focused on one trade that I like. And currently everything is sitting on profit. Let's see on positions. So the only thing is Qtum, and they are consolidating right now. So let's see if this closes above in here, have a clear buy signal, but it all depends on Bitcoin. And this coin is very volatile, like from here to here you have like a 30% gain, like 35%. Who gives a 35% gain? No problem, Blue Bastard. I don't know how do you if you join, just use my link and I will be gladly to give you 50% discount, and you can use the software. And it's awesome if you trade like me, if you have multiple accounts, and also if you have like you can trade also with other accounts, like it's multiple wallets and everything else. So yeah, currently let's see Bitcoin is shitty. What's Bitcoin doing? So yeah, if this is I see this is a corrective, and probably it's going to 11,700, but people will be, I want to short it. So if this is a Gartley or let's see if it's a Gartley. So this is a bet. So a bet, you have PCZ, PRZ, point of a reversal 0.886, probably. So you want the bets give you the most risk to reward. Like look at this, the short of the century. So we have something like this. If this goes to 11,700, then people are enthusiastically buying this. Okay. Nice to have you guys. If you don't have any questions, I may end the stream, and then if you have any questions I can quickly see that. But I see this Bitcoin retesting probably here, somewhere here. and you have a clear rejection from the red line. And so if this is ABC correction, my target for this is probably here. Oh, that's nice. So you can long it here, like it's something like this. You can do on the both sides, like you can go from here to here, or you can use the Fibonacci Retracement tool, like the 0618 is here. Okay, I know why the 0.5. So this is a clear bet, like you can see from here, that's a clear bet, and or a Gartley. So somewhere here you want to sell for this shitcoin, or this Bitcoin. No, shitcoin. Bitcoin is not shitcoin. So right now you want to, my buys are for ecstasy also. I told you that it's from what I see. Let's see on the 4 hour. So you see, if this holds like from here, so you have, if this holds, like you have like a 1, 2, 3, a clear signs that bulls are interested and will defend. So you don't want to see anything below that, and yeah, this is going lower. So and also I think this is a TD9. Let's see on the ecstasy, on the trading view chart, ecstasy USDT. So on the daily you have let's go on the daily. I saw this like as a okay, one, and you have a something like that, like from here, not from here, yeah. So you have a bullish bet, bullish crap, but it can extend and go lower, like to 1618. So you want to be very careful for this. And also the awesome oscillator is going lower, and that's for, but this is a very risk-free. So how much you risk? You're risking 10%. Wow, that's not very great. So, and 45, it's still bullish, like on the RSI. So if you want to see ecstasy, which is Tezos, you don't want to see lower, and if you see lower, your next target for this is 2.63, and if that's 2.63, I see that as a probably as a bullish bet, or let's see, no, but for ecstasy I want to long it, but I don't see any pattern. I just see a bullish crap, but the risk to reward is not there. For for XTZ, yeah, it has a weird name, like ecstasy, and when someone says ecstasy, yeah, I know which coin is it. I want your opinion, guys, on something. So I asked on my Discord, how do you manage your, like, if I had like a long and I want to reduce it, but do you reduce 50% here and probably then going higher? That's my main thing right now. How can I manage my my trades? Because sometimes when I don't do that, it goes lower, and then I have to make sacrifices. So how do you manage the risk to? How do you manage your trades? That's my questions to you. Question. Relaxa. Okay. It's not doing anything. Let's add dot also on my watch list. Dot USDT. Dot USDT. Yeah, another thing is that this SNX, which is synthetics, also made a bullish godly, and then it went to 0618 and it dumped like crazy, and I didn't take profits, and that's a shame. 4 hour. Okay. Okay, what's Bitcoin doing? BTC USDT 4 hour. Okay, I know why it's dumping. So this is a TD3 from two hours. Should I stay or should I go? Let's put me just bent, because that's my main trade right now. Okay, this is still doing its thing. Like bulls are defending this. Let's remove the drawings. So as long as this midpoint holds, then it's okay. BTC. Qtum. Yeah, if this trade sucks because Qtum didn't. What is doing? It's doing nothing. Like it's retracing. Okay, that's me. Lots of selling volume coming through bookmap. So that means that people are trying to sell because okay. But I trust my system, so I will sell if it goes below, like if it closes below 12.55, I will sell it. And right now, okay. The only thing that worries me is this moving average, but that's it. Let's see Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin closes below like this candle, then it's a clear short and continuation to the downside. Lots of sell volume. From where? Let's go on BTC. Yeah, I know. I have saw that book map. Like I think it shows where the buyers and sellers are interested, right? It's like heat map or something. I don't know. There were walls on 11,440. Okay, let's see. Where's that? 1,400. 11,440. So somewhere here, yeah. Let's see if it shows on the order book. Cumulative, so yeah, lots of red right now, nothing green. Bulls and bears are like in a fight who wins right now. So I'll put a sell here. Later sells from here to here. And if it goes like 5, and I'll put 0.1 BTC. Let's see where the price closes. If it closes like above 11,000 on the 4-hour, 11,400, I'm thinking that is a clear indication that there may be going higher, but we don't know. And if you say on the book map, it's it shows volume. I'm not sure how to use it, but gives a good read on the market. Yeah, it sets ladder options for you directly. Like you can watch my video and I explain in quite in detail how to use Hypertrader. And if you use Binance futures, it's very great. And you can also use directly Binance Spot and Binance futures at the same time, and I like it a lot. Banned. Have you tried, if you are an order book trader, I think Tara is also very popular for trading. Qtum. Okay, Qtum, you're shitty because it didn't go higher. Comp. Dot. Okay, dot is a green 9. It's a green 9, a red 9, and it's higher than the 6, so that's a sell for dot positions. Okay. The only thing that bothers me like is this shitcoin Qtum. Like, why did I bought it? Like, if this closes like below that, you have like a clear liquidity gap. Like, look at this. Another thing that I wanted to tell you guys is on the 12-hour, when you have like this type of doji, this is a clear sign that probably somewhere here there are trap shorts, and that's why the price went higher. That's how I think, that's my observation. So you can see every time that we had like on the 12-hour some spinning doji candles, the price went like this zone every time. You can watch all you want, and that's my observation. Like, look at this doji, price went bum, doji, the price went up. So that's how I think about. That's a hint that I wanted to tell you. Okay, Qtum is shitty. Qtum is fucking annoying. Yeah. Okay. So let's see direction. So this is a nice, it's a nice feature that Hypertrader made. Like, tells you where the PNL is. Like, my loss for this is max. Like, I'll put the stop here. Like, I'll move my stop loss, because if it goes below that I want to migrate the losses, not just tag them. BTC USDT. Okay, let's see on the 2-hour what's happening. Okay, so look at this. You had like a doji, and then the price went through. Like, every time you have a doji and these candles, there are some trap shorts, and the liquidity is dried up, and people go against the trend. So on the 2-hour, so how do you know which TD is? you compare 1, 2, 3, 4. So if this closes below that, you have a clear short setup for BTC, and if the next candle closes, that's a clear short on the 2 hour. Am I wrong or am I right? Let's see BTC USD. On the 4 hour you have a 4. Oh yeah. So you had on the 2 hour a 9 and a 9 sell. So currently right now it's a red 1 on the 2 hour. And by the way, my hand was killed and I got stung by some crazy how do you say, crazy wasp. Yeah, wasp, pretty annoying wasp. Yeah. Do you have any questions or should I end the stream? And if you have any questions, you can just join my trading my Discord chat and then ask me questions and I'll make a update, and that's how we roll. So that's my trading, guys. My long right now, you can see my positions. I'm long Qtum, I'm long SXP, I'm long band, and let's move the stop from here to here. And I'm seeing a lot of selling pressure right now on this coin. Let's see what's happening to so if you know how to trade the fractals, like you need to wait, like there's need to be one more upside, and here's your fractal, here's your fractal, and right now on the 2 hour you have like the only support. Let's see, 2 more hours to close the candles and then stop below the low. Which low? I bought it like right here, so how much is that? 7%. And if I sold it on the, but look at the order book, like it's full of interest for this band token. Let's see again BTC USDT. What's happening to BTC? BTC, you're a bitch. So 2 hour RSI. So a clear battle. There is no in the middle, in this middle of the channel, and my pattern is still valid, and I will be watching BTC clearly, and if it goes above 11,550, yeah, I will continue watching, and I'll move my stop losses. So this is your next fractal. It's this, because you have like two middle candles, and this is your sell setup. If closes below, yeah, you have a clear short opportunity for here. So you have like something like here, and you will put this middle channel, and that's a nice risk to reward. The only thing that is bullish is this blue line on the Ichimoku cloud. But let's see. There is one more hour to closing candle. I went long on band because of band of the lowest time frame. Stop below the low. Okay, let's go to band. But you see a clear. You see how much I can put here stop loss, like somewhere here. And this is a patience game. Like, also you can trade for others. That's pretty great in my book. I can put here, like, so we have like a 1, 2. So probably this will be the fractal, because you have like a midpoint, then the downside, and look at this buying. Green, everything's green. Which time frames do you guys trade on? I trade on minimum 12 hour, 2 hours and 4 hour. When I trade on like, you can see I use also TD sequential and harmonics, and that gives me some edge in the market. If you want me to make like a video about how to use the harmonics and like the TD sequential, please give me a comment, and also in my Discord. Only 2 hours. 1st of May. Do you know what was the popular thing on 1st of May? One of my YouTubers, which he died like 2017, was Rich Piana, and his favorite quote was mid-May. So currently band is, there are 4 more candles on the 4 hour to the upside, and squeeze norm indicator is green, even though you had like a bearish, you had a bearish price action, and then the price dumped. And I think on the 2 hour made TD8, so you had like a perfect 8 You can also follow me on Twitter. I also post charts there, and I do salsa and also I have TikTok, but I use it just for fun. And I'm a guy who likes to have fun and enjoy life. I don't want to be like the guy who's very serious and doesn't do anything in his life and just like thinks that the life is not worth living. Like, life is very great. You have like one life, use it very carefully and with much more care. "15 minutes and 4 hours. I'm trying to learn harmonics and T sequential is of interest as well. The best resource for harmonics is the creator himself, like Scott Harney, and I think you can learn so much from him. Like, I have watched all of his video, and also you can go to Baby Pips Education and you can see all the harmonics. I think he has like so much books, like he developed some kind of mix of other harmonics, like the 501. I don't know how. It's very interesting. Harmonics are like the Gartley guy is very interesting for me. That Gartley guy made everything possible with his observation of the market. Like, let's go and see, how do you know? So let's go on BTC, USDT. So okay, Bitcoin right now, there is interest in Bitcoin. So this cipher harmonic is when the midpoint is to 0.618 and it makes a higher high, then dumps, and your confirmation is this midpoint. So this midpoint is very important. If it fails and makes a dump, this is the target. So you have like clear support, like look the rejections here, 1, 2. So your stop is below this, and you have a great risk to reward for this. You can go also on the, I'll put a link, the pattern site, which is also very, the pattern sites, trading help, more patterns, chart patterns, rank. Okay, so you can see the rank of every harmonic in that is existing. Like, you can see on performance. No performance. Okay, I'll put another link. Okay, performance. Yeah. So the first one is bump and run reversal. Failure length 6. So rounding top is also the second, cup and handle is third, rectangle top, double bottom if 3, rising valleys, rounding bottom, rectangle bottom, head and shoulders bottom, scallop, and here is the pattern site for performance. More patterns. So also you can search like bullish Gartley. Here is your bullish Gartley and bearish Gartley. chat rate. So you can see the bullish Gartley. So you have, okay, so you have something like this. I see here. You have here is your bet. So this was a alt bet. There is also an alt bet which makes a failed, okay, which makes a lower low, but it didn't the reaction. So if I see this, you have a clear target from here, like not that Fibonacci Retracement. Okay, I will go to trading view. So for QTM it hit the 0618 for the alt bet logo. Okay, I will show you on the charts. Let's go on QTM. I was seeing on Cypher. So we have like an alt bet here. So we had like a extension to 113, and your target for this is 0618. So who makes an algorithm just for this kinds of bullish and bearish bets or harmonics will make so much money in the markets? Like I was skeptical, and many people are skeptical of harmonics, but you can see it by yourself. Like this was a clear alt bet pattern. Let's see if there's some questions. Trading chat. Going to wreck a bunch of shows. Still trying to get shaken out of a short position. Yeah, nice. Okay. So I'm watching this band. I'm waiting patiently. And that's that. QTM, SPX, okay, SPX, I was filled. I'll put a sell here, probably somewhere here. So here is your long for SPX, and my target is 786, somewhere here. Yeah. So you can see clear distribution here. So his observation for the harmonics were that after a dump there was a retracement 0.50618, then a higher low, and then a retracement again to somewhere here, and that's your selling point for the Gartley, and the bet is 0.5, and this also can be extended. So if it's extended, then it's a bearish bet, so it can go like to $4 if it's extended and if it closes above. Any other questions you guys have? If you don't have any questions, go to my Discord, get some questions, give me some questions you have or anything, and I'll end this live stream. And that was me doing trading. I'm not a scalper, but if I scalp, I want to see action. Right now there is no action. There's little volatility in the crypto markets right now. And that's that. Give me a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm glad that you shared the time enjoying the stream. And this was my first stream. My English improved. I like you guys. I hope you like me too. And we will see you next time. See you soon. And enjoy the salsa.